What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not working or not responding. So the first way I'll tell you is to open ChatGPT in an incognito window and then this might start working. But if it still doesn't work, you simply need to disable all your extensions. Yes guys, you need to disable all your extensions for some time and after that your ChatGPT will start to work. But if ChatGPT still doesn't work, on the right side, click on these three dots and then click on settings. After clicking on settings on the left side, you just simply need to click on privacy and security. After that, here you will see the delete browsing data. Simply click on this and check both the browsing history and cached image files. Just make sure that you have checked the cookies and other site data. Simply check this and then click on delete data. So this will delete all the unnecessary cookies and other site data that are interrupting in the starting of ChatGPT. So this will solve the issue. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.